What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. First things first, I need to go pee really badly, so we need to go find a gas station. I love this turn so much, boys. Ooh, we got a plane landing soon, boys. The bike's filled up. I'm filled up with a Red Bull. Took a piss as well. Everything's perfect, guys. I don't think we're gonna run into too many like crazy cars today, unfortunately. It would be nice because that would definitely give me a new plan. I don't know if we'll be that lucky today because usually all that fun stuff happens like from around 11 p.m. and later. I also called my other friend who has a CBR600RR and we went on a ride together a few times already. Pretty cool dude. I called him if he wants to go for a ride. He said he's just laying down, super tired, and he's not really feeling it, so it is what it is. No one wants to ride with me, boys. Nah, obviously I'm joking, it is fine, but you know, like a lot of times people want to go for a ride and I'm the busy one, and today, man, I was just calling my friends and everyone's the busy one today. I did want to go left towards the tunnels. You know what, I'm still going to do that. You guys probably see the cop car up ahead, and I don't think I'll be able to see if he's going to turn into the tunnels or not, which I would love to know. Like, obviously they cannot prove the speed, but they would at least give me a pretty hard time because, you know, like, you can easily tell if you're not stupid, which obviously they're not. You can clearly tell if a guy is going fast or not. You know, you just hear the bike just screaming, banging through gears. Like, you know, even if you pull me over and you can't prove anything, like, it's a 600, you know damn well I was speeding. Also, I gotta say, this bike is really asking me to freaking wheelie it, man. Like, you can have so much fun in first gear without even using your clutch. You just power wheelie. You can possibly even power wheelie in second gear, which is nuts. But first gear is so easy, man. It's so easy, man, and it's so fun just to even lift it up a little bit. And yeah, it doesn't require shit. You just go, you just whack the throttle, maybe pull up with your arms a little bit, but it's not needed. I don't know, guys, I might have to disable wheelie control sometime, but I do want to be smart and I want to learn proper wheelies and proper balance point first. It's just hard to be a smart and a careful rider 24/7. And, you know, this bike just requires you to have some fun with it. A little bit of fun wouldn't probably hurt, right? What's up, girls? Ah, they're ugly. Never mind. Yeah, this is what I hate about wheelie control, guys. It feels like sometimes it lets you go higher and sometimes a bit lower, which I don't know why it does that, but it just does that. And second thing, obviously once you just reach a certain height with the front wheel, it just cuts off throttle completely, and it kind of like makes your front of the bike just slam down, and it's not too enjoyable. What do we have here? A little Porsche. Hello. By the way, guys, let me know in the comments, do you call it a Porsche or a Porsche? Let's see if he wants to smoke. Thanks, bro.
It's an older guy. I'm not gonna race him, but I gave him a thumbs up. He gave me a thumbs up back. Nice Porsche, man.
I told myself I'm not doing it, and fucking look at me go. How can you turn off traction control fully? It doesn't let me, boys. Why don't you let me turn it off? Do I have to like hold it, man? As in like, yes, I want to go fast, please. No, holding it doesn't do shit.
I'm gonna have to read through the manual. I know it's definitely possible, but I don't know how to do it. There's gotta be some sort of a trick to it. Why is everyone going slower than usual? Just because of the cops here, man. They're not gonna bite your dick off for passing them, you know what I mean? Alright, I guess we're going to do a little bit of a tunnel ride one more time, but we're gonna exit and then we're gonna go somewhere else. Let's see if this thing power wheelies in second. Yo! It does! So clutch ups in second are gonna be fairly easy, I guess. Oh my god, man. I should have not figured that out.
Man, I just want to find some fast cars or fast bikes and just have some fun with them, but I'm not finding any besides a lot of cop cars today, so that might also be a sign to be a bit smarter tonight, but everyone knows I'm not taking that sign too seriously. Alright, we're good. Have you guys ever seen a fucking train going through a roundabout? Only here, man. I don't know if Wheelie Control 3 is
gonna let you have the most fun or the least fun, because, for example, Power 1 means you have like the most responsive throttle. I have mine set to Power 2 instead of Power 1 because P1 is honestly just a bit too twitchy, especially for street riding. So P1 is quote-unquote the most power, but traction 9 is the most traction. It's not traction 1. Traction 1 would be the least traction. So it's just a little confusing, and I don't know if Wheelie Control 1 lets you have the most fun or Wheelie Control 3. So I might like switch it to Wheelie Control 3 because I haven't tried that. Hopefully there's gonna be no cops. Are you a cop? Nah, you guys are Chinese. You're fine. I don't know. It feels very, very similar, to be honest. I was thinking one mode wouldn't let you lift the front wheel at all, but that's not the case, man. It's weird. Yo, what? I don't know. It feels like Wheelie Control 3 and Wheelie 1 are like the exact same things, man.
I don't know. Change it to Wheelie 1, and now we're gonna have another straight right there, and we'll see what it does.
Alright, let's try it out. Yo, Wheelie 1 definitely lets you have more fun. Alright. Alright, we got it. Alright, Wheelie 1 definitely lets you have a little bit more fun, but it honestly doesn't really let you raise the front wheel up much higher than Wheelie 3. I feel like, you know, on the power wheelie, when you just give it gas, the engine power just pops the front wheel up no matter what wheelie control mode you're in.
R6, R3, R1? I don't know. It kind of picked up like a 600. I don't know. We're turning around anyways. We might fucking be able to catch them. But yeah, anyways, what I was saying, if you guys want to be really cautious and not have the front wheel lift up, you know, Wheelie Control 3 isn't gonna save you, so you just gotta be mindful of the possibility of the front wheel lifting up. You know, I'm not a wheelie pro. I can't even hit balance point, to be honest. Probably if I like tried really hard, but I don't want to obviously loop the bike. So honestly, I don't know. We caught up to the guy, Loud exhaust. What's up? I gotta ask him if it's a 600 or a 1000, man. Oh, I'm not gonna get the chance. Alright, I think he has a 600, because if that was a leader bike, he would have definitely gone me, bro. Yeah, it is an R6. Alright, cool. Let's see if he splits those lanes. Oh yeah, he does, man. I just want to talk to him for a little bit and just do like 1 or 2 pulls, a little bit of a run, and then probably just say bye. He definitely is a little crazy. He was trying to keep up, but he's not that crazy, and I think he left because we lost him, guys.
I smell weed in here, man, and weed is not legal. Who's burning weed? Who's getting fucking arrested? Not me. I might be getting arrested, but for something completely different, guys.
Alright, there's like 2 turns up there that are really fun, and there's 2 bikers going there right now. 1 actually, because the one just turned around, but I don't think I'll go too crazy in those turns either way, because it is colder and I'm just not feeling it that much. Good turn, and I think there could be something slippery here. Let's go. I like this turn. Definitely could take each turn faster by, I don't know, 10, 15 kilometers, but for not riding there too often, wasn't too bad, to be honest. I figured it out. I know how to turn off wheelie control, and it turns itself off together with traction control.
I still have some figuring out left to do, because I'm not sure if you can turn it off while you're riding, and also I'm not sure if you can save it with 0 wheelie control and 0 traction control in one of the user modes.
So hold the mode to get into the traction and all the other settings. Once it's at 1, hold down, keep holding, and we're at 0. Let's go. Alright, it is possible to turn it off while you're riding.
I want to have a little bit of fun, so hopefully we find a pretty good road for that, and then after that I'll probably start heading home and we're gonna call it a day. And after this long straight, there's a pretty nice on-ramp and a little bit of a highway, and I think we can hit that as well, and then I'll probably end it off. Obviously gotta take it easy on the on-ramp. Gotta enjoy the sound too. But yeah, this on-ramp is a little bumpy. It's completely dark, so I can't see shit. Even though they have fucking lamps here, they're not gonna turn them on. Why are you braking? You should be going faster here, man. What are you doing? Move out the way, bro! Move out the way, bro! sorry guys, this was kind of a random video. I might just call it testing out different like user modes or wheelie modes or whatever. But obviously I talked about more stuff. But yeah, kind of random video, but I quite enjoyed the ride. I'm getting pretty cold right now, and I got like 30-40 minutes to get home. I'm just gonna leave it off here, guys. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll see you boys in the next one.